Guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to transform your basic braiding hair into bundles that you can sew into and turn into a wig. Alright, so today I'm using this blue expression hair. So just go ahead and prep your hair like you would normally do to braid. If you already know that, you can skip this and just go ahead and braid it. So cut your hair into the length you want and pull it like so. All right, so just keep pulling. Make sure you hold the other end make sure you hold the other end tight and just keep pulling on this other side. Just keep pulling. If you're not used to this, don't go to do it really fast. Just pull it slowly, maybe one strand, two strands, three strands. Just keep pulling until you're used to it and you can do it really fast. All right, so once you're done with that, just go ahead and brush your hair. Make sure to always brush your hair from the ends, like the tips, and keep brushing it upwards. All right, don't just start from where your hand is to brush like I'm doing. Just start from the bottom and just keep brushing your way up. So if I was going to braid with this hair, I will put a hair cream on it, but I'm not going to put a hair cream on it just yet. So I just brush it and then the hair is ready to be used. So this is the result. The hair is better now. It's not blunt tips, it's better this way, so your weaves, your bundles can look really natural. Yeah, like this. All right, so I'm using wool, Brazilian wool, to um, tie to hold the weaves together, like you know that thing that you put your needles on to sew to the wig cap or to your head. That thing, I'm using wool. You can use thread. Yeah, you can use thread, but I'm using wool. When you're using thread, you double it. You make it like 4 or 6 thread, yeah, and you tie it together and you do like I'm doing right now. Just tie it to a chair or an anchor, something you can use to, you know, loop your hair on. So I'm using one so that the head of the weave or the bundles will not be bulky or too big, so it will just lay flat. So you're going to carry your already made hair, the already prepped braiding hair. Take small strands. Don't go to carry big ones. Carry really small ones like what you can see right now, and loop it through your anchor. The wool that I tied to the chair is the anchor, so loop it and make sure it's really tight. That's just it. Just keep looping and, you know, watch a movie while you're doing this, because it needs a little time. You're going to pass some time doing this, so just go ahead and keep looping just as I did. You loop the hair and you pull it out from the other ends. Just keep watching the video, you understand what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to show you guys again so you can see. Make sure your hair is really tiny. You want the weave to be really flat, really thin at the head. So just keep looping your hair until the thread you're using it's almost filled up, and then that's when you cut it. If you're using thread, you divide the thread into two and then you tie it. So what I just did to my wool here is divide it into two and then tie it. You need to tie it so that the hair does not pull out while you're trying to use it. Right, so just tie the ends, tie it really tight, so that the weft will not be loose. Yeah. All right, so cut the both sides. All right, so what I'm going to do next is put it inside hot water. Some people will suggest you blow dry it or use a straightener, but I will advise you to actually put it in hot water first, and then you can now blow dry it later when the hair is totally dried or when you have installed it. All right, so put it in, dip it in hot water first. It gives it a better look. Yeah, so dip it in hot water, really hot water, and then if you have a hair cream, I didn't say oil, there's a difference between hair cream and oil. So if you have hair cream, you rub it on the body while it is really hot, so that might burn your hand a little. So you rub it on the body while you're dipping it in hot water. Don't forget the head. Yeah, when you dip the body in hot water, you let it chill a little while, so enough for you to be able to handle the heat, or you can use something to help you, and then you flip it around and dip the head too in hot water. All right, so while it's still hot, I'm going to put this hair cream. It's Indian hemp something, so I just rub that on the body and then I let the hair to air dry. So I couldn't really show you guys the air drying process or show you guys what the hair looked like, but I have pictures, so I'm going to show you guys that. I couldn't really video that because it got dark. So this is what it looks like. I will show you guys when I install it. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you try this, just let me know. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye. I love you.